We are making dirt cups.
We're making dirt cups.
So this, yeah, I'm struggling.
I
struggle a little bit.
Suck it up, Buttercup.
I'm trying. So I love that, I love pudding. I love chocolate pudding. It's one of my favorite things. And so I used to make dirt cups as a kid. And so this is just a little bit of a healthier version.
You know what I was thinking about? We could add a scoop of Complete.
I was thinking the very same thing.
Please hold.
Yeah, let's just do that. Yeah, that way we're getting the plant nutrients in. Perfect.
The kids don't even know.
They don't even know. We'll stick that in there. All right, so
Okay.
we're gonna start.
With the dry, we need 3 tablespoons of cornstarch.
3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Okay. Oh, did I got a new one.
You got a new one.
I didn't even realize that. I'm so smart that I was running low and I got more. There you go. I know, the hat, it's killing us. Okay.
She told me a couple of years ago, I don't dress up.
I don't dress up, ever. I don't like to dress up.
And then I need a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder.
Okay, well, first let's do the coconut sugar, because
Right.
I've already got, and the recipe called for granulated white sugar, but we're doing our organic coconut
Or
sugar.
Trader Joe's.
Trader Joe's coconut sugar,
Okay.
and then a 1/4 cup of our, I'm losing the hat next segment, you know. Oh, there you go. Okay. Yep,
Okay.
now,
So
do something.
all right. So then we need 1/2 cup of milk.
Okay, so we've got a 1/2 cup here of our unsweetened vanilla almond milk.
Okay.
All right, there you go.
And then we're just going to. Okay, we're just going to mix it until all of it's kind of thick. I think this is where we need to put in the Complete.
Okay,
I say we add a scoop of Complete.
got it.
So it's like really thick. And once we add this Complete, I think it's going to get thicker too. I mean, it smells good though. I like cocoa powder. I used to love pudding. My mom would make pudding for us and
Oh my
Jell-O.
gosh, yes.
We always had little cups of pudding or Jell-O in homemade, not for the box.
Oh, no.
No,
Yeah.
no.
My mom always made pudding. It was delicious, right on the stovetop.
All right.
Now you need your additional milk?
That made it super thick, so let's
Okay, so this is
pour right over that.
okay,
Get that out.
1 1/4 cup more. So total of 1 3/4 cup milk. And since we added the Complete, we may add a little more. We can, you know, kind of see.
I'm trying to get this.
Do you want to turn it on?
Yes.
That'll probably help to,
Okay. I kind of made a mess
that's all right.
again.
You can clean it up.
Okay, so we're just gonna whisk this
Uh-huh.
until it gets all combined.
About a couple minutes, right?
Right. Did we add the vanilla in?
No, we're gonna add that.
Let's add a teaspoon of vanilla. This is not liking me.
Okay. There you go.
All right.
Teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then that's just gonna cook for a couple minutes, right?
Yep.
You are a messy little thing.
It's hard. It's hard not to. I think it's my spooky ring.
These costumes are a real issue. Whose idea was that?
I have no clue.
Not mine.
It's Halloween. You have to dress up a little bit.
I'm not putting a bunny suit on at Easter.
Oh,
I'm
you
s-
might.
No, I'm
You
not.
might.
No, ears maybe, although they're gonna have to be
Okay.
shorter.
That just gave me a really good idea.
But no, of course it did. But I'm not putting a bunny suit on. There's a
Okay.
limit.
All right. How about a chick costume?
Okay, well, better than a bunny.
So this is getting thicker.
Is it?
Yeah. It looks good. Look at it.
It does. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be delicious. Now we're gonna need to cool this for a little bit, right? So we'll
Right.
have to come back and
So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna keep on. I'm gonna
Keep on keeping on.
I'm gonna heat this for another until it starts to kind of come to a little bit of a boil.
yeah,
But you want to watch it. Don't step away because it will.
the bottom will scorch a little bit. Yeah,
So, all right. So we'll be right back when this is all finished up.
sounds good.
Okay. So the pudding has set up,
Mm-hmm. Yep.
which I'm pretty excited
Put in
about.
the, I am too. Put in the fridge.
All right.
Nice and set.
So we're gonna top with
So we took some chocolate cookie crumbs and we just mashed them, you know, with a rolling pin or, you know, whatever. Just, you can just crush them with whatever. I have like a little bammer that I hit. And we've got our dirt for the top of our dirt cups. And then what we did was we took the center of our Oreo cookie, and Trader Joe's has a great JoJo, which is, you know, very similar to an Oreo that we love, delicious JoJo's. And so you take the center white filling and just did a little red and yellow food coloring to make it orange, and we formed these cute little pumpkins.
Aren't those cute?
And then there's a little teeny pretzel to be the tip. So that's,
I need the tombstones.
oh, and then the tombstones.
I made these.
So Jill made tombstones out of graham crackers and put our initials. I get the bigger one. I'm kidding.
Look at her. I get the bigger one.
She listened to me though.
I do. I was, uh-oh.
Yep.
She's not wanting to stand up.
Yep. And then Jill found these cute little bloody bones.
They're
Our graveyard.
spooky.
I mean, they're so cute. Like who? So this is like a little plant-based chocolate pudding, and it's the cutest little Halloween treat. I just love
So,
it.
and how many plants and nutrients are they getting?
So 15 different plant nutrients from the chocolate complete. And then, you know, we've got it mixed with the almond milk. So that's just a super healthy treat for them to have, you know, the kids to have after school. I mean, you know, or you could take to a little party. I mean, just.
Well, I plan on making them for Halloween.
Oh yeah, I mean, they're so easy and adorable, and I know my kids are gonna love them. However, there's no, they don't have their name on the tombstone. I do, so it looks like this one's mine.
This one's mine. So do us a favor, please subscribe to us. Red button down below here. We're trying to get to 100 subscribers because it's going to unlock this magical door, I think.
Oh sure, or will spontaneously combust.
Something's gonna happen, something big. So we'll post the recipe below, and happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Have a good day.